Choosing the best smart TV HD for family entertainment can make everyday moments more meaningful and enjoyable. From relaxing evenings to special gatherings, the right television helps bring everyone together around the content they love. A carefully selected screen adds excitement, warmth, and connection to your home, creating memorable experiences that make every viewing session feel more engaging and rewarding. Number 1. FPD 40-inch Smart TV 1080p Full HD Google TV. Google TV Smart OS, the entertainment you love, all on one screen. Google TV offers a wide range of smart features and a vast library of content, all in one intuitive platform. Full HD 1080p resolution. The combination of Full HD 1080p resolution and HDR10 provides crisp images, vibrant colors, and enhanced contrast, delivering a truly immersive and captivating viewing experience. Google Assistant Voice Remote. Control your entertainment effortlessly with Google Assistant, offering hands-free navigation and voice commands, all with just a simple voice remote. Chromecast built-in. Seamless streaming and casting with Chromecast, allowing you to wirelessly connect and enjoy your favorite content from your phone, tablet, or computer directly to Google TV. Connections: HDMI 1.4x2, USB 2.0x2, Avenue in 1, Optical Out 1, LAN 1, Bluetooth 5 and Wi-Fi 5. If you have any issues with your product, please feel free to contact us via Amazon messages or reach out to FPD directly. Our customer service team will reply you within 24 hours and help you solve the problem as soon as possible. Number 2. Westinghouse 40-inch Smart TV. Full HD 1080p TV Xumo TV. Enjoy stunning picture quality with this 40-inch flat-screen smart TV featuring full high-definition 1080p resolution, 1920 by 1080, with over 2 million pixels and a 16:9 widescreen aspect ratio. You get sharp, detailed images for streaming, gaming, and live TV. Powered by Xumo TV OS for easy access to your favorite apps and content, all in one place. Endless entertainment. Stream easy with instant access to top apps like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, Apple TV Plus, Hulu, HBO Max, ESPN Plus, YouTube TV, and more, all in one place. The Xumo Play app features 350 plus free live channels and 70,000 plus on-demand movies and shows across sports, news, entertainment, and more. No subscriptions or downloads required. Just launch and start streaming. Universal search and voice search. Instantly discover what to watch across all your favorite streaming apps with powerful universal search. Say goodbye to app hopping. Use the included voice remote to search by title, genre, actor, or keyword. Just speak into the remote and find your next watch faster without typing or navigating through multiple menus. More ways to play and connect. Stream or mirror content directly from your iPhone, iPad, or Mac with Apple AirPlay. Enjoy music, view photos, or surf the web on the big screen with ease. Built-in Wi-Fi allows you to connect to the internet wirelessly. No need for a hardwired connection or external service box. Plus, built-in Bluetooth lets you wirelessly pair soundbars, headphones, or speakers for immersive, high-quality audio. No messy cables or setup required. Connectivity is king, packed with 3x HDMI, 1x USB input, 1x composite video, 1x optical digital audio inputs for maximum flexibility. A full array of inputs to connect your cable box, game console, streaming stick, soundbar, DVD, Blu-ray player or a digital antenna for local channels. Number 3.27-inch Portable TV FHD 1080p Android. Immersive visual feast anywhere equipped with a 27-inch matte anti-glare LCD screen. Android Portable TV delivers 1080p Full HD resolution, 16.7 million vibrant colors, and 100% sRGB color accuracy. The wide viewing angle ensures clear, vivid visuals from any position, No more annoying glare, perfect for home movie nights, travel stays, or outdoor camping gatherings. Smart Google TV system and voice control powered by NTM 9216 CPU and Android 14 OS. This smart TV seamlessly supports Google TV, YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, and other popular streaming apps. The included Bluetooth remote integrates Google Assistant. Just speak your command to adjust settings, search for movies, or access content. Effortless control, hands-free convenience. Long-lasting battery for uninterrupted enjoyment. Built-in 9000 mAh, 11.1 volts. High-capacity battery provides over 4 hours of continuous use. No frequent recharging needed, letting you enjoy movies, games, or music freely whether you're on the go or outdoors without power outlets. Cinema-grade immersive sound. Dual-8 ohms 10 watts built-in speakers deliver powerful, clear audio with rich bass and balanced treble. Immerse yourself in your favorite movies, games, or music. Every sound detail comes to life, creating a theater-like experience wherever you are. All-round connectivity for versatile use. Complete with multiple practical interfaces. RJ45 port for stable wired network, low latency, no buffering. SPDIF port for high-fidelity external audio output. Connect to soundbars, speakers easily. HDMI 2.1. Supports high frame rate videos and audio-visual synchronization, and USB 2.0 ports. Effortlessly connect game consoles, U-discs, laptops, and more to expand your entertainment options. Number 4. Universal Floor TV Stand. Portable rolling floor TV mount. Compatibility. This floor standing TV stand on wheels fits most TVs from 27-inch to 65-inch, ensuring that your TV's VESA dimensions range from 100mm by 100mm to 400mm by 400mm. Height adjustable and swivelable. The Universal Mobile TV stand has multiple height adjustments above and below in order to choose your optimal space, and the TV can be swiveled left and right, plus minus 40 degrees, to provide you with the most comfortable viewing angle. Sturdy design. This mobile TV stand features steel construction and solid structure to provide stable support for your TV. In addition to a maximum weight capacity of 88 pounds movable stand, this rolling TV stand rolls smoothly, and the 4 wheels allow the stand to be moved to the desired position at will. It is ideal for home offices, kitchens, yoga studios, living rooms, schools and trade shows with flexibility and convenience. Easy instruction and cable management. Comes with relevant hardware accessories and a detailed installation manual. This floor stand can be installed in less than 15 minutes. The cable clips are from a quality ISO certified supplier and help to organize cable clutter and keep the space tidy and organized. Number 5. Roku 40-inch Smart TV Select Series. Seamless streaming, with fast Wi-Fi and apps that launch in a snap. Roku Select Series TVs get you to your entertainment quickly. You get excellent picture quality, clear sound, automatic updates, and more. It's simple to use, hard to outgrow. Explore a world's worth of TV, dive into all kinds of entertainment and easily find your favorites or soon-to-be favorites. A ton of entertainment at the best price. Free, your go-to streaming destination for free entertainment. Roku has 500 plus TV channels, with live-in season shows, hit movies, weather, local news, and award-winning Roku originals. Home Sweet Home Screen. Move apps around and make the Roku experience your own with a home screen that easily gets you to what you want to watch fast. Just keeps getting better. Get the newest apps, features, and more with automatic software updates.